In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in Uber Eats sign up, then hit enter. Then from here on the top search result from uber.com, it will say become a courier in the UK using Uber Eats. So go ahead and click onto that link. That's going to open up a new web page. Now, a few things to know before you sign up. So there's some eligibility requirements. So you must be at least 18 years of age, have a valid government issued photo ID. For example, an UK EU driver's license, passport or national ID card. You must provide your national insurance number and date of birth and pass a background check, which can typically take between 3 to 5 business days. From here, what we need to do is go ahead and click on get started. Now from here, it will say what's your phone number or email. So you can jot in your phone number or email, or you can continue with your Google account, Apple account, or you can log in with a QR code. For this demonstration, I'm going to continue with a Google account. So I'm going to use my Tutorial Wiz account here. So this is basically going to sign me up and sign me in at the same time. Then you need to confirm your information here. So put in your name, first name, last name. Now we want to choose UK here. So click the drop down menu and make sure it's GB, United Kingdom. Then put in your mobile number here and then click next. Then from here, we need to read the terms and conditions and click yes, I agree. And then I've reviewed. Now have a read of all the legal stuff here and then click by clicking I accept, continue. Then from here you'll be taken to this page. So from here it will say welcome your name, and now you need to fill out these step by step. So we need to do the national identity card. So this, and they'll say recommend the next step as well. So click onto that. Then from here you need to take a photo of your national identity card, passport, citizen, birth certificate, IMEI card, and then you click use my phone. So you want to upload a photo or PDF of your proof of ID. Click and zoom on the image for upload guidelines or requirements. Then from here, we can change our profile photo here. So you take your profile photo. Uber has partnered with Verif to verify your profile photo. Please note that once you submit your photo, it can only be changed in limited circumstances. So they'll show you how to use this. And then from here, click use my phone. And just keep going down these tabs one by one. It's very self-explanatory. Just make sure when you upload photos or images, make sure it's clear to read the front and back of your images as well. And then once you've done all that stuff, like I said earlier, they're going to do a background check, which typically takes 3 to 5 business days. And then after they've done the background check, they'll either give you an email confirmation. So Uber will send you an email letting you know that your background check is complete and your account has been activated. Keep an eye out for subject lines that might include your Uber Eats account is ready. You now active on the Uber platform. From there, you can use the driver app access. So you'll be able to log into the Uber driver app and see the dashboard. The status will show you're online or available for deliveries. And if it does take longer than 7 days after the background check has been in progress, it's worth checking your spam junk folder or simply contacting Uber support.